Hello everyone, today in this video I'm gonna teach you how to make raisins from fresh grapes at home at very low cost. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit that bell button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Take 500 grams of green grapes and now you start plucking them and put it in a container. Now wash the grapes. Now put some water and boil it. Stir it time to time, and you must be wondering how long you have to boil it. So you have to boil it until it starts to float. After boiling for some time, it will start to turn yellowish in color and it will lose that green color. In between you will notice some of them will start cracking, but you don't have to worry about it. Only few of them will start to crack. Now you can see it is turning yellowish in color, and wait until all of them turns yellow. Now you have a side-by-side comparison with green grapes and that boiled grapes. They have turned yellow in color, and look how green was that. Now they are completely yellow and floating. That means they are ready. Now separate the grapes from the boiling water. Now put a clean and dry cloth on a tray and spread them to dry. Now you must be wondering that the raisins are not ready yet. Yes, they are not ready, and it will take 2 days to become raisins from that boiled grapes. You have to sun dry it for 2 days. Now put them outside to sun dry it for 2 days. After drying it for 2 days, now you have the result in front of you. Very fresh raisins prepared at home. So that's it for now, and if you enjoyed the video, then please give a like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share this video so that everyone can learn how to prepare raisins from green grapes at home at very low cost. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.